Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where today we're going to be looking at Veg In One Bed by Huw Richards. You all probably know him as Huw's Nursery via his YouTube channel. If you're not already subscribed to him, I'll leave a link in the description so you can go check his channel out. I'll also leave the Amazon link to this book where you can also find a lot more information about it, but I'm just going to go sort of like a review sort of style video of what I like about it. So Huw said I can, show you two of my favourite pages, so I'll get to that in a minute, but I'd just like to start with like the actual book itself. It's like, like a nice sort of thing to it. It's all embossed there, set in a bit the textures. It's all nicely printed on and that, so yeah, it's nice hardback cover one. So yeah, let's have a look at it. So one of the many reasons I like this book is because it has these little plans. So we've got the lower effort plan, the salad plan, and the reason I like these, we'll have a look at the salad plan for example. So let's say March, it's showing us what we can sow, then it goes through, like you've got to sow your radish, then harvest it in April and stuff like that. Obviously weather changes things and that, but it's just a rough idea of what to do. And I like this low effort plan because there's not much in it. It's very simple, it's all simple, and it's literally plant, grow on, earth up, showing you how things are more than likely to work out throughout the year. This one is quite interesting, as I would like to grow quite a few of these things, especially the spinach, so that'll be nice, and stuff like the pea shoots and that. And you can look at these plans and then go back through the book, and have a look on how to grow them, sort of thing. So yeah, it's got lots of tips and that along the way, which is very nice. Things you might already know, like the using old tree branches, Christmas tree branches, as it's shown in this book, for your peas and that. So it's got stuff like that to remind you, and it's also got some other things in it as well. So yeah, I want to show you my other favourite page. Before I show you the other page, I know I've just shown like 3 pages here, but they're all sort of linked together. You've got this year planner here as well, so that's good. I like this windowsill one. It's got a nice little picture at the bottom here, and here we've got a other picture, so it's showing how to reuse things in the pictures as well. It goes through quite a few things, so you have successful seedlings and stuff like that. So this is another likable page of mine. They're not really favourite pages, because it's all good. I just like to pick out a few things that I hope other people would like. So altogether, it is a great book. I really like the design of it and everything. People on Amazon, I was reading some reviews, there's some of these pages here, and people are saying that the text is like sort of spread out and it's wasting space, but that sort of, I like that sort of style because it makes everything seem more simple. And if you're a beginner gardener, you can sort of find your way in this very easy, and it makes everything very simple, step by step. So yeah, that's my approach on comments like that. And you can apply it anywhere. It's how to grow it in a raised bed, but you can apply it pretty much anywhere. There's tips and everything in it. So any level of gardener, I've probably been doing this since I was like 4, I don't know, but I've not been gardening 50 years, but this helps, even though I've been gardening since a young age. No one can learn everything, so it's good from beginners to like people that have been gardening for 50 years or something. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. I'll leave links in the description to his channel and the link to buy this book on Amazon. I believe it's about £10 right now. It's on offer a little bit, I think, at the moment. So get it quickly. Get growing some stuff with this book. It's sort of like a reminder on what to do each month and everything. So hope I've not gone on too much, but thank you very much for watching, everyone, and feel free to leave a comment what you think of the book, and if you're buying it. Thank you for Huw to sending me this book out. I just thought I'd do this little video, because I have spent quite a few hours, sort of reading through this when I got it, and it's something you can learn a lot of. And apart from that, it would be very much appreciated if you left a like on the video, and if you haven't already, click that subscribe button with notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And we're going to be doing quite a few of these things throughout the year in this book. I'll be trying to demonstrate them and sort of trying some things out in this book that I've seen, potatoes in containers, simple ones like that, and other things in this book. So yeah, click subscribe to see things like that. And apart from that, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye, everybody. Please click one of these videos on screen so you can watch more of my gardening related content.